Welcome back to Sit Spell. Some of you might have recognized that sound. It's my old rotary phone. I drug it out and was messing around with it. Got me to thinking, what if I could call myself on my old phone, or in this case my parents' old phone? What would I tell the young Citispell? Definitely invest in Apple, invest in Microsoft. There's going to be this thing called the internet. Invest in that, learn as much as you can about it. When you grow up and have kids, homeschool them. Tell more people about Jesus. Save more money. Invest more money. Start your garden earlier in life. Start prepping earlier. See, there's such thing as regrets, and then there's lessons learned. So I'm just curious if you could call yourself, what would be some of the things that you would warn yourself about or inform yourself about? It's an interesting, deep subject. I'll make another video. I just want to get it to ring. I want to get the old phone to ring. But again, not regrets, but it'd be cool to be able to call back in time and talk to yourself. Knowing me, I wouldn't believe me. I'd think it was a prank call. But anyways, let me know what you would do, what you would say to yourself. Again, it's interesting to think about it. The things that pop into your head sometimes. Thanks for sitting a spell. If you liked the video, thumbs up, thumbs down. Just one of those get you thinking videos. I can't be the only one that's ever thought about that. Anyways, have a blessed day. God bless.